theatre event in New Jersey is drawing attention for blending spirituality, mental health, artificial intelligence, and faith into powerful dramatic storytelling. The event, called Beyond Understanding, brought together writers, artists, and members of the Indian diaspora for an evening of Hindi plays and discussion in Edison, New Jersey. The program was organized by the Heramba Art and Culture Center in collaboration with Prayog Natya Sanstha. Instead of a traditional stage performance, the evening featured dramatic readings of Hindi plays followed by interactive conversations with the audience. The event was hosted by Abhishek Mishra at his residence under a tent setup, creating an intimate and community-focused atmosphere. The event featured 3 plays written by Ashok Vyas, a New York-based poet, Hindu priest, television host, and creator of the YouTube channel Heramba Studio. Each play explored themes connected to spirituality, emotional struggle, technology, and belief systems in modern life. The stories combined philosophical ideas with everyday experiences, making them relatable for audiences across generations. The first play, titled Agyat Ka Bhay, or Fear of the Unknown, followed a man struggling with hopelessness and suicidal thoughts. The story showed how unexpected experiences and spiritual reflection helped the character rediscover meaning and hope. Organizers said the play encouraged audience to think about emotional well-being, faith, and the idea of divine grace. The second play, Mystical Chai, brought together spirituality and the modern digital world. Set in the age of social media and artificial intelligence, the story followed a young New Jersey man whose devotion to the Mother Goddess challenges ideas about logic, truth, and reality. The final play, Chief Controller, explored how technology and AI influence human conviction and belief systems. Chief Controller centered around tech company founders and included reference to Rajasthan folk deity Gala Bhomiaji. The play examined how faith and divine protection continue to influence people even in highly technological environments. Audience members participated in discussions after the reading, sharing personal interpretations and reflections on the theme presented in the plays. The evening also served as the soft launch of the New York-based Heramba Art and Culture Center. The organization has been active through Heramba Studio, creating dharmic, spiritual, and mental health-focused content for the Indian diaspora community. Organizers said the goal is to promote Hindi literature, meaningful storytelling, and conversations around culture and spirituality. Several well-known community members attended the gathering, including Parveen Chopra, founder of alotusinthemud.com, yoga expert Vijay Trivedi, and Raj Mittal of Hindi USA. Vinita Khanna, founder of Orator Academy, also performed a bhajan dedicated to Sant Kabir and presented a ghazal performance during the event. Organizers thanked artists, guests, and the audience for supporting Hindi theatre and cultural storytelling in the United States. As interest in diaspora-led cultural events continue to grow, gatherings like Beyond Understanding are creating spaces for conversation around identity, spirituality, mental health, and tradition. For many attendees, the evening was not just about theatre, it was about reconnecting with language, culture, and community. Abroad, this is Monica Sharma.